Okay, well, after the disaster last time, we're going to try and get this thing back up on the truck and hopefully not have it collapse on us. We're slowly lifting it up, but the crazy lady here who runs the place gave me a stop work order until her worker shows up. She's threatening to call the cops as I'm trying to lift my thing back onto the truck. She thinks somehow her worker's going to be the big difference, but everything seems to be holding now, so we should be good. But we're about halfway there. Another few inches and we'll hopefully be able to start to drive underneath it. Well, against all odds, it's back on the truck with the crazy lady giving me grief, and now just got to secure her. But that's a great relief. My repair job worked. Phew. So she's on the truck. That's all I care about. I've been in La Ventana for 2 weeks, and I got in about 4 days of kiteboarding in that time, taking lessons. Unfortunately, I didn't get any footage of it. It was too difficult. It was just me and the instructor. But I did manage to get up on the board and get a better understanding of the kite. So now there's something else I gotta go buy when I get home. I gotta get myself a kite set up. Right now we've got probably 2 to 3 days of driving before we hit the border, and then we're gonna start working our way up to Colorado, where we'll get back out on the slopes before working our way back towards Vancouver. It's mid-afternoon, so I'm going to start working my way, probably only drive a couple 100 kilometers today, find myself a spot to camp tonight, and then have a good driving day tomorrow. There is a few places that I want to check out to try and do some hiking before I head out of the Baja, so we'll see if those spots turn out to be anything good. But otherwise, yeah, we'll just make our way towards the border, and then hopefully we're not stuck at the border for hours on end. Okay, I'm about 200 kilometers from La Ventana, heading north, and this is the spot that I've picked for this evening. It's very secluded. We're about 6K off of the main highway, so it should be a good quiet night with starry skies and a beautiful sunrise in the morning. Right now we got a beautiful sunset. I'll just get myself organized for some dinner, and then that'll be it. And then we'll get on the road tomorrow and see where we end up. I don't think this will show up very well on video, but the sun is setting and the moon is up almost full over the Cactus Desert, and it just looks awesome.